In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on your Jira app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up the Jira app and you can see what my font size is currently set to. So in order to make this larger and a bit easier to read, what we can do is head back and then click into our settings app. Once we're inside settings, navigate lower and tap into display, and again navigate lower and click into font size and style. And at the bottom of the page here where it says font size, we've got a slider. If I move this slider to the right, it's going to increase the font size, and likewise if I move the slider to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So I suggest keeping it near the right hand side of that slider, and you can have a play around with it and you can see the example what it looks like above that. So once you've found the font size you want to use, we're going to head back and then click into the Jira app, and as you can see, the font size has been changed accordingly.